بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
Dear students, today we are going to start a new lesson of your textbook, lesson number 8, Services. Dear students, in a community, in towns and cities, there are different services which help the people. The police, fire brigade, hospitals, and the city council are examples of such services. But today we are going to study only two examples of services. Number 1, police, and number 2, fire brigade. And we will also discuss what is the definition of law. Okay, let's firstly discuss police. Dear students, in every city there are number of police stations. I hope you all know that these are the places where policemen and policewomen work. Their job is to keep us and our property safe. To do these, they have to be out on the street to see that everyone is obeying the rules. They have a hard job to do. Some policemen direct traffic in a city. They are known as traffic police. They make sure that people drive properly and obey the rules of the road. They also help people, especially the very old and young, to cross the road. Okay students, let's now discuss the definition of law. Dear students, laws are rules everyone must follow to protect the people and property. There are many rules in our country. For example, one law says that you cannot steal from another person. People who are caught breaking the law are arrested by the police. Now come towards the fire brigade. Dear students, do you know who are firefighters? Firefighters are people whose job is to put out fires and rescue people. When there is a dangerous fire somewhere, firefighters are called to put it out. They use long hoses to bring water to put out the fire. They wear helmets and sometimes carry a sharp axes and also use long ladder. Students, do you know why? Because if people are trapped inside a burning building, so they go in and bring them out safely. Children, look, the people who work for the fire brigade are very brave as they take risks to save other people's lives and property. Dear students, I hope you understood today's lesson. In our next class, we will continue from here. Till then, Allah Hafiz.